my name is Sarah Peterson, and welcome to my English 3 classroom. This is my 9th year teaching and my 6th year at Blythewood, and I'm really happy to be here. English 3, the easiest way to get all of the information about it is to go to my website. This is attached on the one-pager as well as Google Classroom. To get to the English 3 information, you have to click English 3 at the top. You have access to the collections notebook both digitally and on paper. Our syllabi are here, as well as my lesson plans. You have to click to get to the actual date, or you can always click through. Our bell schedule can also be found on my homepage. I teach English 3 during 1st and 2nd and 7th and 8th. You scroll down, you see that that's from 8:45 to 10, and then from 1:55 to 3:10. So, those are the best places. If you want to get to our Google Classroom, you can ask for Guardian access through your student, or you can use your student's access to get in. The Meet code is typically going to be at the top, and they will have all of their assignments organized for them under classwork. I tell them to go to classwork because it's a lot neater organized than the stream, which just posts in the order I posted in. If you need additional help, you can always email me. That's going to be the best place to go. If you would like to schedule a tutoring time, we can maybe meet during ITL, but please make sure you talk to me about that in advance. I am working from home, so I do have a dog and a toddler that you may hear occasionally if you're following along with your students. But I'm really excited about this year, and I hope that everything works well, and at least the technology is our friend for the most part. Most work will be turned in on Google Classroom, and if it's not going to be on Google Classroom, the information will be found on the lesson plan slides, which are also linked on my website and Google Classroom. Thank you so much for visiting.